Hello lovelies, today we're talking about the right order of wearing makeup, and I feel like this is so essential to make your makeup look flawless and go on smoothly. So I've already prepped my face with a moisturizer and a primer, and I'm going to show you how we do the steps. So step 1 is to use foundation. The foundation helps to create an even skin tone and base. So I like using a combination of a brush to apply it and then using a beauty blender just to give you that airbrush finish. So I like using it on my smile lines, around the eyes to just take off that excess and give you that wonderful airbrushed finish. And now we're going into step 2, which is conceal and illuminate. So if you have those extra imperfections like under your eyes, I have a few pimple spots I'd like to cover, and also sometimes you can use them on your high points to create that glow. This is truly magic in a bottle. And now I like to set just my under eyes with some loose powder. You can use a sponge or a brush and just sort of create a baking effect if you like that, or just lightly set under your eyes. And now step 4 is the blush, and I like to call it the blush in bloom because it helps to add that little pop of color. So you want to smile and apply it to the apples of your cheeks to add that little rosy glow. And now it's time to contour and define. This helps to sculpt out those cheekbones, your jawline, and also add those highlight points for glow. So I like to use a contour and then a highlighter. And now it's time to set it all right. So if you've baked under your eyes, you want to dust off all of that excess powder and then apply some translucent powder to the rest of your face to set it all down and make sure that your makeup lasts all day. And now it's time for that eye enhancement. So first you want to use some eyeshadow, post which you want to use an eyeliner to create that smooth, captivating look for your eyes. And now it's time for those luscious lashes. So you want to curl your eyelashes first and then use a mascara, and this will help to open up your eyes and sort of, give you that eye enhancement that you're looking for. And now to finish it all and bring the look together, we want to do a lip enhancement. So for that, you want to start with a lip liner first and then go in with your favorite lipstick. So there you have it, guys. This is the final look, and remember, you can look like this as well. You will always have flawless makeup if you use makeup in the right order like I just showcased. Try it out and let me know in the comments below if this order worked for you. I will see you in my next video.